Hello friends, welcome to Jet Students. In today's session, we will talk about a very interesting tool called 𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗃, and this tool is very much trending in 2024, especially for the business analyst kind of roles and people who are working in UI UX designing. So let's start this session. So what is the first question is what is a 𝗟𝗏𝗃? So 𝗟𝗏𝗃 is basically a rapid wireframing tool. So this basically tool is used for designing the page layout, and you can create a wireframe from the websites or mobile, and it allows you to create pictures at the same time so that you can offer this to your client and ask them to review so that you can close a deal in a very short span of time. So basically, there are three types of wireframing, as you must be aware of. And if you are not aware, you can watch the my previous video in which I have explained that what is a wireframe and what are the different types of wireframe. So that video will help you to an idea. In short, I will just explain here that basically this tool is for wireframing, and in order to show the visual representation of the application that the app or website that the organization is going to offer to your client, that is what we can create over here in a very short span of time. So basically, there are three things which are used in 𝗟𝗏𝗃 used for. First is rapid prototyping, second is UX designing, third is responsive design, and it's basically used for collaboration, documentation, and client presentations. So I will not take much of your time, and I will quickly get back to the tool itself. So you need to go to the Google and search here 𝗟𝗏𝗃, and this is how this website will open. So you need to open the first link over here and click on this one. So it will give you 30 days of free trial, but you can just check it here, or you can buy the paid version also. So this is how this would open. So you have to click on this your first project, and this will redirect you to this particular page, and here you will get a lot of controls here through which you can create the application. So let's start to create one small project, one small application for a client, and let's see how we are adding step by step. So please do not go anywhere and watch till in the end of this video, and you will be able to understand the whole this tool. So let's start. So first thing what you need to do is that you have to come here and click on this plus icon, that is here new wireframe. Now what we have to do, we have to first get a mobile view. So in order to get a mobile view, we have to click on Android. So click on this Android on the top of this header and click on this smartphone. So if you click on this smartphone, you will get this view of a smartphone in your page. Now we have got the smartphone view. Now what we need to do is that you can see that here the uh, mobile page layout is this, the Wi-Fi icon and everything is there. Now next thing is that we need to have a search button here. So we will go here box. So let's use the search box here and just drag it. Okay. Now you have got the search icon. Now I want to add some more thing. Let's suppose I want to add the home button. So let me add the home button. So first we will click on this app bar and we would be adding this here. And this would add some more realistic layout to the page, and this is how the app would be. Now click on this, I want to rename this heading, and I want to rename it as home. So what I would do, I would go to some text and I could click here and I would change the name, it has home. Okay, and so this has got renamed as home. Now what we have to do is that we need to add some search icon as well. So we have to get into the search icons. So let's access the search part. Now click on search bar here, search box here, and this will show you the search item. So let's drag it. So this is how the search box would look like. Now we need to add certain images. So for before adding the images, I want to add some layouts. So let's add some layouts here. So we can go to containers here and click on this rectangle. So here we can add some rectangular blocks over here in order to specify how the page would like. So I have added two containers from the rectangular tab. Now I want to add some more, so I will click on form, and there are various options over here, so you can use either of these. So let's use some more rectangular blocks over here. And let's suppose I want to use this particular image. So for this one you can use an image here. So let's use this way and use these two images. And if you want to add the same container, then you can get back to that. So just need to click on container and click on this rectangle. So this would allow you to have this layout. Now let's suppose I want to add some images over here. So what I would be doing, like, click on this particular image and click on the image icon. So I have some pre-downloaded image, you can also have it. So let's suppose I have this image and I want to add it here. So I will click and drag it and drop it here. So once you drop it here, you need to, like, you get a very good understanding of the margins as well, that how the image would be looking and what areas are there that needs to be covered. So this allows you a very perfect view for your wireframe. Now you can see that I have added this particular iPhone 13 image. Now this is how it looks. And now let's suppose I want to add some text over here. So let's add some text. So there are various options over here, and I'm using this some text option. And let's suppose I write here iPhone 13 Pro, and I want to add some pricing as well. So let's add some more text and put here the pricing as well. Okay, so I've added that. Now I want to add some more images. Let's suppose I want to add another image. So let's check if I have some image or not. So I do have one image. So let's have this image as well. So let's reposition this image as well in this particular icon section, image section, so that we would have a very good look. Okay, perfect. So this second image has also been added. Now similarly, we need to go to this some text option, and you can use it here. Just need to drag and drop and put it here, iPhone 12, and add some more text. And I want to add it like rupees 4999. Okay, so I've added that. Now let's suppose I want to add some advertisement images also, like banners also. So that also we can use it here. And if suppose the client wants that, how would the banner would look like? So in order to do that, what we would be doing, that we need to have this particular rectangular layout, and we have to add some images. So I have just downloaded with this particular image for this session. So let me show you how does it looks like at the end. So you need to just drag and drop, and it will perfectly fits in the wireframe, and this is how it looks. Now you can add more images as well, it's on you, but this is a small demo that how the whole uh, mobile and wireframe would look like. And I hope that you understood this and you would be able to implement it in your projects as well. Thank you for watching this session, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.